won't leave its territory, and so the remaining M6s have almost escaped the danger. They're out, but the IS-3 picks off one last M6 with its 122mm long claws. The IS-3 lets off a series of loud roars and retreats to collect its bounty. Sadly, the fatty mass of the M6 is too large to fit inside the IS-3's den. The M6 wedges itself at the entrance. The IS-3 becomes upset, but at least he's got an earlier T-50 kill to feed off. Speaking of food, the M6s have arrived at their dream destination, lush flatlands. Though they may have lost half their herd, they're consoled with the abundance of food at their grasps. There is a vast food chain in the land of War Thunder, and the M6s know their place.